Hi, good afternoon guys. I'm Adi Kuma. Welcome back to my Kurobuta channel. First of all, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go below to subscribe, click the button, and no worry, I will wait for you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to share with you about my hiking trip in Nepal, which happened in the year 2014 November. I know it's a very long time ago, and I had no choice, no excuses to edit this video, but now I do. So I used Sony Action Cam to shoot this video, and very sorry about the quality wasn't so good, and I tried my best to edit this video and inserted some picture in between the clips. Yeah, I think the end result isn't so bad. Actually, anyway, I had spent 3.5 days on this hiking trip. Initially, I wanted to fly to Lukla from Kathmandu for the trail to Everest Base Camp. Yeah, but unfortunately the weather wasn't so good. It's really bad, and I have waited at the domestic airport from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and eventually I gave up the trip, and my tour guide suggested me to go for the trail around Kathmandu. Yeah, so sadly I got no other choice. Sorry, I think I have talked too much. So let's go and start the journey with me. Jump, jump, let's go. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video to the end with me. I'm really appreciate it. If you got any comment or feedback for me, please, you're welcome to do so below. And once again, thank you for spending your 5 minutes with me, and please don't forget, click the subscribe button below, and see you soon again. Bye.